to make your RedNote account private. This tutorial will show you the latest method in the current version of the app. First, open the RedNote app and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. From there, tap the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Now, select Privacy. Here, you'll find a variety of privacy settings that let you customize who can interact with your account and view your content. Unlike some other social media apps, RedNote doesn't have a setting called Private Account. Instead, the feature is called Protection Mode. To make your RedNote account private, simply turn on the Protection Mode switch. Once it's enabled, your account will have additional privacy protection, giving you more control over who can access your profile and content. And that's how you make your RedNote account private using the latest version of the RedNote app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more quick and easy RedNote tutorials.